So some time ago, we talked about how incredible artificial intelligence has come, especially when it has to do with 3D and 3D animation. We did mention some interesting creators that were making stride, which includes the folks at Motorica, as they did create Mogen as a 3D generative AI tool for everyone so that you can create and mix your own 3D animations and generate different kinds of motions on the go. The folks at HyMotion also did the very same thing, as they also created a nice new set of motion tools which allows you to generate motions by simply putting a text. We also did see some impressive stuff from the folks at Unity, and we did demo that as well. And all of these are super amazing. One thing that none of these actually has, even up till this point, is being open source. And that is where the folks at Tencent comes in with HyMotion, now branded HyMotion. And this is an open source model that allows creators to now mix motions and generate 3D action models based on a diffusion transform model architecture and flow matching mechanism that supports the generation of smooth and natural 3D animation with a wide range of categories by just simply using natural language descriptions to make this happen. And these can be integrated seamlessly into your 3D pipelines, making it easier for you to now generate 3D motions and use them in your preferred DCC. And of course, for those who like to read up on this, you can simply go over to the link in the description that'll bring you right here where you can read up on the Mixed Motion 1.0, as this introduces you to all of the things that you need to know when it comes to working with this. And this is really cool. And for the generative result, there's a couple of cool motions and stuff that you can now get out of this. And the reason is because this is built on approximately 1 billion parameters, which is huge. And this has given birth to several motions that you can generate. So whether you're thinking about base motion and actions that deals with sitting down, running, and also jumping, then we've got various motions that include sports motions, some fitness motions as well, leisure motions, and daily activity. Of course, these motions can also be combined together to generate nicer looking results, which makes it very interesting because if you're into simple animations for your 3D short animations, or you're into simple animations for your game character animations, there are motions that are right here, and you can simply come through and pick them up and start working with them. Of course, these motions to some point will need some fine-tuning, but having a model like this that is open source is actually something I believe lots of developers will lay their hands on and build based off it. And of course, if you like to read more on GitHub, you can simply come through to the GitHub where you'll be able to read more on the Tencent HyMotion version 1.0. And for those who would like to run this on their local PC, then you can simply come through right here where you can download the light model or you can download the standard model. So the standard model comprises of 1 billion parameters while the light model comprises of 460 million parameters. If you like to get on with this, there are certain things that you need to read up from here, and you can also plug this to Comfy UI if this is something you would like to work with. Going all the way up, for those who would like to try this right now, you can simply go over to the demo section that will bring you over to Hugging Face, where you'll be able to explore it. So right here on Hugging Face, you can actually enter a text, set the duration, and you can click on rewrite for this tool to rewrite the text the best way HyMotion will understand it. There's also a couple of examples which we're going to explore. So for the examples, if we would like to have our character maybe perform a squat, we can actually have that selected. And because this has automatically rewritten it the best way HyMotion will understand, we can click on Generate Motion. And so once we click on Generate Motion, this is going to go ahead and process it and present us with 4 different variations which we can pick from. And from these 4, they sort of look pretty cool. So once you're good with it and maybe there is one you like, you can simply click on the download button to get it. And once you have that downloaded, you can bring it into your DCC app, retarget this if you want, and of course you can do as many things that you want with it. On the other hand, we can also go all the way back and we could specify some stuff. Maybe we might want a person walking in a circle. We can actually have that there. Click on rewrite text. So this will translate it the best way HyMotion will understand. And we can click on generate motion. So once we do that as well, this is also going to process this entire thing and present us with 4 different examples. And we can actually go ahead and select the one that best fits what we're going for as well. And you can see that this looks pretty nice. So if there is a specific one we want, again, you can go through here, click on the download and download it. There's a couple of nice examples that you can pick from here, mix and match them. And the fact that this is version 1 and offers all of these capabilities, I think it makes a lot of sense. Of course, it is not 100%, especially when you get to put in complex motions. But for what it is, this actually does some very cool stuff. Another one, which we're also going to explore, is the duration. So let's see what the duration actually looks like. So for this one, I'm just going to find something that needs constant movement. So a person walking forward, that sounds good. Maybe we would just go ahead and look at, climbing an obstacle. I'm going to go ahead and increase that to about, say, 10 seconds. Let's see if we can break this now, and we can click on generate motion. So with that done, this is again going to go through, process this whole thing, and generate motions for us. And from what we have here, things are looking pretty interesting. Of course, there are noticeable, fit sliding and origin shift, but all of this can be fixed and cleaned out when you're animating. So you can now go ahead and test out and potentially create interesting animation by entering a prompt. And I think this is going to be very useful for game developers and also indie artists. This has actually gotten to that point where you can make very complex motions, but for what it is 1.0 and it's looking pretty cool. And the fact that this is open source is pretty interesting. So for those who like to read up on all of this, then you can simply go over to the link in the description that's going to bring you right here where you can read up on them. And of course, if you like to explore how you can go from images to 3D models with HY3D, we already covered a couple of videos for that, alongside other interesting videos, which you're also going to find in the description. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.